workshop divided into two. First one started Monday to today. We just ended the first part. And tomorrow, Monday, we start a new, on the same lesson for the new group. And I think they have invited that if anybody wants to continue, then also come. But anyway, for the new group starting Monday. It's the same lesson
It'll be the same lesson.
for the new group.
There might be a few different words used.
Yes.
What I try not to do is duplicate it, especially if you've heard it once. But sometimes it never hurts to hear it again. We always need to be reminded about the importance of our relationship with Christ.
As we all know through experience, as he has gone through the first session, when he starts the next session, there will be more information. So that is something.
We got a closing song that we must sing.
And on tomorrow, 9 o'clock, again, the one Baron and whoever wants to will meet with Fred here.
Yep. Marilyn and I will both be here tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
He wants to meet with you.
No, it's 9 o'clock in the morning,
In the
correct?
morning,
Yes.
right. I'm sorry that we had asked that in Kabila, but I didn't know that the youth had planned something, big program for the youth, so tickets, and so tomorrow we'll be a busy day in our church. So, the Sunday school teachers, I think will be meeting downstairs or somewhere, and our group will meet here tomorrow night. So, on our behalf, this is just a continuation of thank you, and we will thank you more as the days go on.
You've overfed us, trust me. So we love it.